Promise me no promises, so why I not promise you? Keep we both our liberties, never false and never true. You so warm may once have been warm towards another one. I so cold may once have seen sunlight, once I felt the sun. Who shall show us if it was thus indeed in time of old? Fades the image from the glass, and the fortune is not told. If you promised you might grieve for lost liberty again, if I promised I believe